friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another product from Rasna. It's the Rasna Rajputana Jaljeera. So guys, this is Jaljira powder from Rasna, and we all have tasted Jaljira when we were small. We like eating it, we like drinking it, we like adding it to the juices. So it adds wonderful flavor, spice flavor to whatever you add it to. And today Rasna has come up with this new Rajputana Jaljeera sachet right here, which is only for rupees 2. So guys, this Rasna Jaljira sachet comes for rupees 2. It's available in your local stores. It's available on Amazon as well if you want to buy it from there. So guys, let's start off with the packaging. It comes in a very premium plastic packaging right here, like all of the other, like similar to the other Rasna products that come. And right here we can see the Rasna branding right on top. Then there is the Rajputana Jaljeera, which is the name of the product. And then it says contains mango powder plus 5 natural ingredients. And then they have shown an illustration of the Jaljeera drink made here. Coming to the back of the pack, it again says a proprietary food, mixed spices, not a curry powder, and their licensing number. And then the ingredients are mentioned. Let's look at the ingredients of the Jaljeera that is here. There's iodized salt, there's black salt, there's mint, there's sugar, there's cumin powder, dextrose, dry mango powder, dry ginger powder, black pepper, chili powder, and permitted anti-caking agents, which is there. This is a 5 gram pack for rupees 2 that we get. Then all their licenses are mentioned below. So guys, let's go ahead and open this Jaljeera packet, and we'll quickly do a taste test of this. I really love the fragrance of the dry mango powder that comes from the Jaljeera, and I really like the taste of it. So here again a glass, and I'm going to add the Jaljeera powder to the glass, and to this we are going to add some water to make a Jaljeera drink. So here we have a bottle of water. Now we'll just quickly add some water, and we are just going to quickly mix it up and then do a quick taste test. Very strong smell of the Jaljeera we can get here. Mostly the dry mango fragrance that comes from it. Very prominent smell. So guys, here is the Rasna Rajputana Jaljeera drink that I made, and this is going to be the taste test. Tastes amazing. It has a very nice spicy touch to it, and the dry mango flavors are just amazing. I also like eating it plain. Also it tastes nice, like you apply it on say guava. By guava you apply it along with some chili powder, it goes amazing, right? So do try that. That is also an amazing combination. So I really like this product. It's really nice. Nothing very different from other Jaljeeras that are available, but yeah, today Rasna also has come up with this. So if you guys want to try it out, do check out the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing product reviews.